Noah Hawley's adaptation of Alien Earth begins in the year 2012-20, a time when Homo sapiens have been sidelined in the race to create the perfect being, who is not only advanced but immortal. The race is led by a corporatocracy of 5 mega-corporations. Weyland-Yutani, the post-Prometheus merger of a Japanese cybernetics company and the original Weyland Corporation, continues its infamous legacy. Prodigy is a new upstart, led by the young CEO, Boy Cavalier. He is pushing the frontier with a dangerous technology: hybrids, humans reborn into synthetic bodies. The other major players, Lynch, Dynamic, and Threshold, control Earth's resources and territories, each vying to tip the balance of power in their favour. Weyland-Yutani, acting as the antagonist, remains infamous for prioritising profit over safety, exploiting alien life forms like xenomorphs for weapons research, regardless of human risk. The newest android, Morrow, seems programmed with the same directive as David from Prometheus: collect alien samples for Earth, and if necessary, use human counterparts as collateral. Noah presents us with new species such as the octopus eye, T. ocellus, and the ticks and flies, new plant-based alien life forms, in addition to featuring the familiar xenomorph. These ticks seem to burrow into a host, feeding internally until their rear sacs swell with blood. In Episode 2, Prodigy Special Forces fall victim to these ticks. Once implanted, they gestate inside the host until multiple bug-like creatures burst out. T. ocellus travels like an octopus and can rip out a mammal-like creature's eye to implant itself in the socket, taking control of the body. It first does this with a cat, which then attacks several hybrids. Of all the new species, it appears closest to human intelligence and may even be sentient, posing a major threat to the characters in Alien Earth. It presents as flora, but it may be fauna. The orchid resembles a plant, but may be more than that. Larger than any Earth species, like a Venus flytrap, it has a tentacle that emerges when its petals unfurl. There's also a nest of alien flies. They can fly, grow quite large, and are likely parasitic, like the other new species. Given their Earth counterparts, they're not going to be friendly. The xenomorph, however, seems to display new evolutionary changes: a more crustacean-like body with armoured sections instead of a human-like ribcage, a tadpole-like life stage, and a head with flatter, more practical teeth. As many are, I'm sure, wondering, will a facehugger be able to parasitically impregnate one of Prodigy's synthetic humans? My theory is that they will be able to, because, as we've seen from the existing morphology of the xenomorph stage, they are already able to create organic polymeric tissues like Teflon, a synthetic plastic called polytetrafluoroethylene, PTFE. Also, based on what we've seen, the xenomorph seems able to differentiate between purely mechanical and organic-based hybrids, thus the hybrids must have some organic parts, making them suitable prey for the xenomorphs. It's possible that, given the accelerated landscape of the Alien Earth series so far, an alien synth hybrid would result in some new form of creature that's much more intelligent and dangerous. This will be my only video on the subject, but I've been enjoying the series so far. I'll be watching with the rest of you to see what happens next. Please leave a like and feel free to comment. Do you have any theories?